Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Hacoo. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Hacoo and Hacoo app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.